It often starts quietly. You take a little longer to stand up from your favorite chair, or feel more tired than usual after climbing stairs. Over time, even a short walk can leave your legs feeling heavy or shaky. Many people think this is just a normal part of getting older, but science says there's more to it. What you may be feeling is something called sarcopenia, which is the slow loss of muscle strength and size that happens more quickly after age 60. According to experts, people over 60 can lose 1 to 3% of their muscle each year. That means you could lose up to 15% of your leg strength in just 5 years, without even knowing it. The good news? Losing strength isn't something you have to accept. Research shows that 3 important vitamins, vitamin D3, B12, and B1, thiamine, can help improve leg strength, balance, and energy in just a few days or weeks. But before we look at the solution, it's important to understand why legs often get weaker with age. First, vitamin shortages are common as we get older. Our body doesn't absorb nutrients from food as well as it used to. The stomach makes less acid, and the gut doesn't work as efficiently. This makes it hard to get enough D3, B12, and B1, vitamins that are directly linked to strong muscles, healthy nerves, and good energy levels. Second, poor blood flow can make things worse. As we age, our blood vessels don't work as well. This means less oxygen and fewer nutrients reach the leg muscles, leading to tired, cramping, or heavy-feeling legs. Third, not moving enough weakens muscles. Many older adults slow down because of joint pain or fear of falling. But when you don't use your muscles, they shrink and get weaker. And if your body doesn't get the right nutrients, even exercise won't be enough to rebuild strength. The solution? Restoring these 3 vitamins can break the cycle and rebuild strength from within. 1. Vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is widely recognized for its role in maintaining bone health, but its importance in supporting muscle function is equally vital. It aids in activating muscle fibers for stronger contractions, improves nerve-muscle communication to enhance balance, reduces inflammation that contributes to fatigue, and boosts calcium absorption to help prevent bone loss. After the age of 60, vitamin D3 deficiency becomes increasingly common due to a natural decline in the skin's ability to synthesize it from sunlight, reduced conversion by the kidneys into its active form, and decreased digestive absorption. Signs of deficiency include difficulty standing up or climbing stairs, frequent leg cramps, especially at night, unsteady balance, and persistent joint or muscle pain. Research strongly supports the benefits of vitamin D3 supplementation for older adults. A study by the University of Birmingham found that seniors who took 800 IU of D3 daily experienced a 19% improvement in leg strength within just 5 days. Similarly, Harvard researchers discovered that low levels of vitamin D3 were associated with a 40% higher risk of falls among older adults. A Swiss clinical trial further showed that D3 supplementation reduced muscle wasting by 23% over 6 months. For optimal results, a daily dose of 800 to 1000 IU is recommended for general maintenance, while those who are frail, at risk of falling, or already deficient may benefit from 1,500 to 2,000 IU per day. Vitamin D3 is best taken in the morning with a meal that includes healthy fats, such as eggs, avocados, or nuts, to enhance absorption. Though certain foods like fatty fish, salmon, sardines, and fortified dairy products contain vitamin D3, diet alone is typically insufficient to meet daily needs. However, it's important to be cautious with supplementation. Taking more than 4,000 IU per day over the long term can lead to adverse effects such as nausea, kidney stones, or irregular heartbeat. Regular blood tests are advised to monitor vitamin D3 levels when supplementing. 2. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, often referred to as the nerve and balance guardian, plays a crucial role in maintaining steady legs and overall neurological health. It ensures that nerve signals travel quickly and accurately between the brain and limbs, which is essential for coordination and movement. When B12 is deficient, nerves begin to deteriorate, leading to numbness or tingling in the extremities, slower muscle responses, and a higher risk of falls. Additionally, B12 is vital for cellular energy production, so deficiency can also cause persistent fatigue. Older adults are particularly vulnerable to B12 deficiency due to several age-related factors. As we age, stomach acid production declines, which impairs the body's ability to absorb B12 from food. Certain common medications, like acid blockers, further reduce absorption. Dietary habits, especially vegetarian or vegan diets, can also limit B12 intake, since the vitamin is primarily found in animal-based foods. Signs of B12 deficiency often include pins and needles, sensations in the hands or feet, an unsteady gait, dragging feet, frequent tripping, dropping objects, memory fog, and unexplained fatigue. If left unaddressed, these symptoms can progress to more serious issues, including permanent nerve damage. Research strongly supports the benefits of B12 supplementation in older adults. An Oxford University study found that seniors with low B12 levels were twice as likely to experience falls. A study published in the Journal of Gerontology demonstrated that taking 1,000 micrograms of B12 daily significantly improved balance and reaction time within just 8 weeks. Neurology research has also linked untreated B12 deficiency to lasting nerve damage. To get the best results from supplementation, the preferred form is methylcobalamin, which is better absorbed than the more common cyanocobalamin. The recommended dosage ranges from 500 to 1,000 micrograms per day. It's best taken around midday and not with coffee or tea, as these beverages can interfere with absorption. While B12-rich foods like meat, fish, and eggs are helpful, their effectiveness diminishes with age due to declining absorption. Fortunately, B12 is water-soluble, which means any excess is naturally excreted through urine, making overdose virtually risk-free. 3. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is often referred to as the energy igniter because it plays a key role in converting food into ATP, the energy currency that powers every muscle movement. Without enough thiamine, muscles, especially in the legs, can quickly become fatigued, even with minimal activity. Deficiency can lead to symptoms such as heavy or exhausted legs, calf cramps, foot pain, and even shortness of breath when climbing stairs. Older adults are particularly at risk of thiamine deficiency due to several lifestyle and medical factors. Diuretics, commonly prescribed for blood pressure or heart conditions, can flush B1 from the body. Alcohol consumption impairs B1 absorption, and modern processed diets often lack thiamine-rich whole grains. As a result, many seniors may experience subtle but debilitating symptoms without realizing the root cause. Typical signs of thiamine deficiency include muscle fatigue that feels disproportionate to physical activity, burning or tingling sensations in the feet, loss of appetite, and unexplained weight loss. These signs can be especially misleading and are often mistaken for aging or unrelated health issues. Scientific research backs the importance of B1 for mobility and energy. A study by Tokyo University found that 30% of seniors had low thiamine levels, which correlated with slower movement and decreased physical performance. Another study published in the Journal of Neurological Sciences reported that 82% of patients experienced noticeable improvement in leg fatigue within just 7 days of taking 100 milligrams of thiamine daily. For best results, a daily dose of 50 to 100 milligrams of thiamine is recommended, ideally taken in the morning with breakfast to support daily energy needs. While food sources like pork, sunflower seeds, and lentils do contain B1, much of the vitamin is destroyed during cooking, making supplementation a reliable option for many older adults. Thiamine is water-soluble, so excess amounts are safely excreted from the body, making it generally safe. However, high doses may occasionally cause mild stomach discomfort. The perfect daily routine for stronger legs. Creating a consistent daily routine is key to building stronger, more energized legs, especially as you age. By timing your supplements properly and pairing them with the right foods, you can maximize their absorption and effectiveness. Start your morning with breakfast that includes healthy fats such as avocado or eggs, and take 1000 IU of vitamin D3 along with 50 to 100 milligrams of thiamine, vitamin B1. This combination supports energy production and muscle function throughout the day. At midday, during lunch, take 1000 micrograms of methylcobalamin, vitamin B12, which plays a vital role in maintaining nerve health and balance. Be sure to avoid consuming B12 with coffee or tea, as these can interfere with absorption. Also, avoid taking vitamin D3 at night, since it may disrupt your sleep. Following this routine consistently helps ensure your body gets the right support for leg strength, energy, and stability. Aging doesn't have to come with a loss of strength or independence. By simply addressing common vitamin deficiencies, specifically vitamin D3, B12, and B1, you can take meaningful steps toward improving your mobility and energy. These nutrients play a powerful role in restoring leg strength, enhancing balance, and reducing fatigue. With consistent use, many people notice stronger legs in just a few weeks, feel steadier on their feet, and regain the energy to enjoy daily activities without hesitation. Have you tried incorporating these vitamins into your routine? Sharing your experience could be the encouragement someone else needs to take that first step toward better mobility. As always, consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements, especially if you're taking medication. Even small changes today can lead to stronger, more confident strides in the future. Well, that was it for today. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos like this. Thank you for watching.